cryptocurrency investing mistakes to avoid. We all make mistakes in life, but if you want to avoid some of the more costly ones when it comes to investing in cryptocurrency, then this video is for you. My name is Jane, and I know from personal experience how much time and money can be lost from making a mistake. But don't worry, because I'm going to share with you what not to do so that you can start off on the right foot. Investing in cryptocurrency is not as easy as it may seem. There are many things to consider, and you should avoid these mistakes to make the best possible investment. The cryptocurrency market is very volatile and unpredictable. The content should explain that there are many things to consider before making an investment in cryptocurrency, such as understanding what cryptocurrency is, how it works, why it exists, and its history. The Crypto Cell is an education organization that helps newcomers learn about cryptocurrency investing so they can invest and trade responsibly and safely with our expert advice on diversifying your portfolio, buying low, selling high, and avoiding scams. Cryptocurrency investing mistakes to avoid. Putting all your money into one cryptocurrency. This is a question many people ask themselves when they start investing, and it's one that has pros as well as cons. The idea of putting all your money into only one cryptocurrency sounds tempting because you can potentially make more than if there was an equal investment in multiple coins or tokens. However, this does come at risk with higher risks too, since not every coin will succeed. Buying cryptocurrency on a whim without doing enough research first. Many people buy cryptocurrency on a whim without doing enough research. However, the reality is that you are at risk for losing your money if not researched properly, because there's always an opportunity cost when buying something blindsided like this. So make sure to take into account what could go wrong before making such a big decision. Keeping all of your cryptocurrency in the same place, it's safer to spread them out among different exchanges or wallets. Keeping all of your cryptocurrency in the same place is much safer than keeping it on just one exchange or wallet. If something happens with that account, then you'll lose everything. It's better for security purposes to spread them out among different platforms, so no matter what disaster strikes sends its victims scrambling for safety. Keeping every last coin under their mattress might seem like an appealing idea at first, but when things hit rock bottom, we want somewhere safe where our assets can be preserved and never lost to an accident, which could easily happen given how volatile these markets have been recently. Focusing on short-term gains instead of long-term growth. We're often so focused on short-term goals that we neglect to take care of ourselves in the long term. We let our health go, spend money frivolously, and do not invest for retirement or see any possible ways it could affect us now. It's easy just sitting back doing nothing until something bad happens, which will surely happen sooner than expected because who has time, right? Investing in cryptocurrency can be a daunting task. There are many things to consider, and it's easy to make mistakes when you're just getting started. In this article, we've provided some of the most common ones that people tend to do, so you don't have to worry about investing your hard-earned money into something without knowing what risks may come along with it. These tips should help get you on the right track from day one. If all this seems too much for you, or if there is any other advice you'd like us provide, please let us know. Our team would love nothing more than helping walk alongside entrepreneurs who want support developing their own strategies and plans tailored specifically for them. If you're interested in learning more about how to invest in Bitcoin,